Had a neighbor bring his Massey Ferguson 135 over last fall with a mower that would run for a minute, then quit when the grass got honest. The engine sounded fine. The PTO was the one waving a white flag. If your 135 PTO grinds, slips, or refuses to stay engaged, don't start buying parts yet. First, make it safe. Park level, lower the implement, set the brake, shut it off, and keep every hand and loose sleeve away from the shaft. A PTO can teach a hard lesson quicker than any old mechanic can. On a 135 with the two-stage clutch, push the pedal part way. Tractor travel should stop while the PTO keeps turning. Push it fully and the PTO should release. If it drags with the pedal down or grinds going into gear, check pedal free play and linkage against the manual for your serial number. Don't use a number from somebody else's tractor. Variations matter. Next, work the PTO lever with the engine off. Look for a bent rod, worn pin, weak detent, or linkage that never reaches full travel. A little lost motion can feel like a ruined transmission. Then check the transmission and hydraulic oil the correct way. Milky oil means water. Burnt odor or metal glitter means stop and investigate. If the PTO turns fine unloaded but quits in heavy grass, suspect a slipping or oil-contaminated clutch face. Also inspect the mower's drive line, slip clutch, and shear protection. Don't blame the tractor for an implement problem. If adjustment does not restore it, internal clutch trouble may mean splitting the tractor. Block both halves on rated stands, chock it, disconnect the battery, and follow the manual sequence. Never trust a jack alone. Here's my pro tip. Write down exactly what changes at half pedal and full pedal before touching an adjuster. That little note usually points you to linkage, release, or clutch trouble without guessing. For the full service manual with the right diagrams and specifications for your Massey Ferguson 135, I've got them at the manual store, link below. Thumbs up if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.